Hello friends, welcome to in this basic civil engineering YouTube channel. In this video lecture we will learning about grade of concrete, water cement ratio and how much water required for different grade of concrete. For more videos you must like and share this video and subscribe this channel. So let's start. What is the grade of concrete? Remember, the grade of concrete can be defined as the concrete strength and composition. Strength of concrete may be the minimum strength that the concrete should have following 28 days of initial construction. And the strength can be found by doing the cubic compressive strength. Cubic compressive strength test, which size 50 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 15 centimeters. And concrete composition is normally represented by the ratio of cement and aggregate. For different grades of concrete, M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25. So M, for example, M5. M stands for mixed proportion. Mixed proportion for material like cement, sand and aggregate. And N number stand for characteristic compressive strength. Of the concrete after 28 days in Newton per mm square. We use another paper. If we mention M10 concrete, if we mention M10 concrete, it means that the concrete has 10 Newton per mm square characteristic compressive strength at 28 days. M refers for mixed proportion and number represent for the characteristic compressive strength after 28 days. Types of grade of concrete. First one is nominal mixed concrete. And second one is design mix concrete. For normal scale construction where high strength are not required, nominal mixed concrete used. For example, M15, M20, M15, M20, M25 and design mixed concrete used for mega project where high strength required. Used for mega project where high strength are required for construction. Next one is, what is water cement ratio? Water cement ratio means the ratio between the weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mixed, or the amount of water which we used in cement concrete. We know that the water cement ratio is directly affecting the strength of the concrete if we use limit amount of water for concrete mix, so it gives us the good strength of concrete. Normally used water cement ratio for construction 0.4 to 0.6 as per IS code. So we draw a chart for different grades of concrete. First one is grade of concrete. Second column is the mix proportion. Third one is strength, Newton per mm square, and fourth one is quantity of water per bag 50 kg. First one M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25. Mixed proportion is cement, sand and aggregate, where cement proportion is 1, sand proportion is 5, aggregate proportion is 10, where strength for M15 grade of concrete is 5 Newton per mm square and quantity of water per bag 60 liter. Second one M7.5 for cement, cement 1, sand 4 and aggregate is 8 and sand 7.5 Newton per mm square. This is the characteristic compressive strength of concrete after 28 days, and quantity of water per bag 50 kg is 45 liter. Next one is M10, 1 ratio 3 ratio 6 and strength 10 Newton per mm square. Quantity of water 34 liter. And fourth one is M15, 1 for cement, 1 sand, 2 air, and quantity of water 32 liter. Next one is M20, grade of concrete, where cement is 1, sand is 1.5, and aggregate is 3, where strength 20 Newton per mm square, and grade of concrete is 30 liter. Last one is M25, grade of concrete, where mixed proportion cement has 1 and sand proportion is 1 and aggregate proportion is 2. The strength for M25 grade of concrete is 25 Newton per mm square, and quantity of water per bag 50 kg is 28 liter. So today in this important video lecture we will learn about the grade of concrete, water cement ratio, and quantity of water required for 50 kg for different grades. For example, M5 grade, M7.5 concrete grade, M10 grade, where different liters are used. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos you must like and share this video and subscribe this channel.